Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how to take a video you've recorded in Screencast-o-matic and download it to your computer. So here are your controls for the program, and you can see I've got a very short video, 28.5 seconds here. Let's say that's what I wanted and it's completed, and now I want to do something with it. So I simply say done. It opens up this screen where it gives me two options. I can upload the Screencast-o-matic, or I can save it to my computer. I tend to do the latter. I tend to do this, even though I have the Pro version and I can store everything up there. This is useful if you want to use their editing tools, but for now let's just get a hold of that video. When it's downloaded to the computer later, we can upload it to YouTube. So say save as video file. You can see you have a few options. The first is the type of file, and MP4 is perfect. You want to leave it as MP4. Under file name, it's just going to give it a recording number because it doesn't know what you want to name it. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to change that. I'll say Screencast-o-matic video download. Okay, so that'll be my name. I'll hit enter. And now it's going to name it that. Now, if I'd failed to do that, if I simply downloaded it with the recording number, it's not a problem because it's just a file like any other file. And you can find that on your computer and you can rename it later. So this is not necessary. You can do it at either time, before or after. Okay, folder tells you where you're going to save it to. So if I click on that, you can see I've saved things to various folders. In this case, let me just browse. In a second, it will access your navigation structure on your computer. So I can click to say desktop here. I could save it directly to the desktop, or I could go into my folders. I could come into my PC and go to the C drive. I can move it anywhere I want, really. If I'm connected to a network drive, I can do that. So let me just put it on the desktop for now. I'll say OK. Nope, didn't seem to change there. Hold on a second. Browse. Desktop. Okay. Doesn't like the desktop. See what's going on here. Browse. Let me just put it in this temp directory I have on my desktop. Okay, a little better. Okay, you can also show captions, closed captions at the bottom of your video file. We're going to leave that alone. And then you have the option for quality. Okay, the quality, you have three options. You can leave it at normal, or you can put it at a lower quality, which will make the file size smaller, so it makes it a little easier to move it around, but the quality of video is less. Or you can make it higher. You can make it a better quality, then you're just going to have to wait longer for it to save, and you're going to have to wait a little longer when you upload it, things like that. So I'm just going to leave it set to normal, which is adequate in most cases. And then I'm simply going to say publish. You can see that it's giving you a little progress bar here. I'm 70, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100% done. Once I'm done, I say OK. It's going to show me my video here. There it is. And if I want to record another video, I just click record here. It starts the process over again. Now, one thing to know is if you're using the free version, you have to wait until that download is complete. So I hit download. It takes, if it's a longer video, it could take a while. It could take 5 minutes if it's a 15-minute video. And you can do other things on your computer. You simply can't record another video. One of the advantages of the Pro version is that when I click that and it starts to download, I can go ahead and I can continue recording additional videos while the download occurs in the background. So that's the process of gaining access to that video. It's simple. And in future videos, we'll look at the option of uploading it directly to Screencast-o-matic.